Good Tuesday morning to you. I'm Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Martich. This is your outlook for December 9th, 2014, and we have a coastal storm that is going to be affecting the area today, and that means heavy rain for some, and in some cases heavy snow will be the case, especially across northeastern PA today. Now we're going to have we have our final call out actually on the weather alert map section of the page, and that can be found just to the northeast of this video on the home page. So if you look not directly above you, but kind of catty corner in a northeasterly direction, you'll find the Weather Alert Maps tab. You can click on that and you get our latest final call. We will be adjusting this today during nowcasting if needed, and that means if this is not evolving the way we think it's going to, we're going to send updates, of course, throughout the event. Now this is the coastal storm here that's going to be moving up to the north here. Here's a look at Tuesday morning. Now we are going to have some concerns for some icing over central and northern areas here. We did have that as part of the final call as well. For some freezing rain. 850 millibar temperatures, at least at the time this video was recorded, were actually above freezing. So anything falling should be in the form of rain, but of course the surfaces are colder in some locations, especially the valleys, and that is allowing for some freezing rain to occur. And we do think that's going to end this morning, or in the early part of the morning. It might hold on a little bit longer up here, up in the Poconos and northeast PA, but for the most part, we're just looking at some freezing rain, but then it does go over to rain here as this system pulls north here. We're expecting that we're going to have this system just off the coast of Atlantic City here, and then it's going to move to the north up toward Long Island after that point. Once that does so, we're going to have some wraparound moisture that's going to come around it, and this is going to change any rain over to snow from northwest to southeast as the cold air wraps in around the system, and that most likely area to get that heavy snow is going to be across northeastern PA. Of course, as you head further to the south, it won't be as potent with the changeover occurring later, and then you're not going to have much precipitation left at that point. Here's another 12 hours later. This is looking at Wednesday morning. See, the system is still kind of sitting there and spinning and not really going far. And then again, we got some more residual snow showers that could even occur into Thursday. So we get to go over to the precipitation maps in here, and this will give you a breakdown of what we're expecting. Here's in the morning here, and you see these pinks here. This is the freezing rain. Again, central to northern areas that are below freezing, especially in the valleys, that will hold on to that cold air longer with a cold air damming situation. As this system moves north, it will flood the warmth into our entire area and changes over to rain here. And you might stay snow here on the northwest side according to the latest GFS here, but for the most part our entire coverage area here is in green, and that is rain. We do expect that to change over to snow though when we start seeing that as we get later in the afternoon and evening up here in northeastern PA, and it's going to start working its way south after that point as we progress through the overnight hours. So you can see that next frame here. Here's overnight here. It's getting all the way down to about the Lehigh Valley now. And this is, of course, the time stamp on this is about 1 a.m. So this is about when we expect to change over in those areas that are further south here. But there's really not a lot of heavy precipitation left, even though the system's sitting over, basically over Long Island at this point. As you go even further here, the GFS actually is really liking Eastern PA for a pretty good hit here. Not sure it gets that snowy this far south here. I think the GFS has kind of like right church, wrong pew type thing. It's kind of given the wrong depiction of a little bit too far south of this precipitation. But this is one of the things we're going to monitor today. If we do see this that is going to progress further south, that's something we can adjust for if the GFS is on to something. GFS is not very good usually once you get past say 72 hours of a storm, an East Coast storm, but once you get in a smaller window, smaller time frame, it does get a lot better. So it's something we're to keep an eye on to see if this is coming to fruition or not. But you see these snow showers are continuing to hang on here straight into Thursday with this system moving up into New England, and some of that wraparound snow showers will still take place. Snow showers and flurries, but not accumulations by Thursday, which I think we should start clearing out. And then this weekend, it looks like we're going to set up to be pretty nice. We got high pressure that's going to move in here, and by the time we get to Sunday, we should be on mostly sunny skies, and temperatures are going to moderate slightly, but still remain below normal for this time of year. I'm Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Martich. That is your outlook for December 9th, 2014. Have a great Tuesday.